family, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is a DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. Today's video is a very simple video, or it depends on how you love to break down your wash day routine if you are a DIY. Today is Sonya full wash day routine. So what I normally do, I normally prepare everything the night before, and then just to make life easy on me because I'm very busy. Now for her full wash day routine, I'm first gonna be pre-pouring her hair. The oil I got in here, this is my carrot growth oil. And all of these ingredients I have laid out, these are ingredients that are already on my channel. So I will leave it down in the description box if you want to know how to make it. But if you are someone who really keep up with all of my videos, then you will know exactly how to make all of these ingredients. So this my carrot growth oil, I'm going to be using it as a pre-poo treatment on her. And then I will also need a solution. So I got my aloe vera juice in here. This is her pre-poo treatment. After her pre-poo treatment, the next step is to cleanse her hair. And I got my bentonite clay that I'm going to be using as a cleanser or shampoo for her. Now after the bentonite clay, I have our deep condition treatment. This is also a homemade deep condition treatment. And I will leave all of these videos down in the description box for you. Now after her deep condition treatment, I normally just moisturize her hair and put her hair in big braids. So to do that, I will be using my S Secrets Growth Oil. This is the only oil that I use on her. It is safe for kids and all age and all hair types. I will be using that on her. And then I will be using my magnesium butter. This is how it's looking. I also have that video on my channel. And then I will also use the aloe vera juice to moisturize her hair. So this is going to be a very fast wash day, but very effective, which will help with hair growth. And once you are taking care of your hair on a weekly basis and doing something during the week to keep it moisturized, you will continue to retain length on your hair. So this is the routine I have for Sonya, and this is what I've been using since 2016. That is why I'm able to grow her hair this long. So let's just go and start applying all of these products to her hair, and you will see exactly how I do that. This is how her hair is looking. It's very dry, it needs moisture. And then she also complaining, didn't you say your scalp was itching?
Yeah, sorry.
And so yeah, so we need to give her a very good wash day. So I'm just going to start taking it up section by sections. You guys know I love to work in sections. And then I will just divide her hair into 3 sections and just start to apply her pre-poo treatment. Now the pre-poo treatment I'm applying, I also just doing it as a hot oil treatment, just setting it in water for it to get a little bit warm to apply it to her hair and her scalp. So I put the oil and the aloe vera juice in hot water. I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes, let it just get a little bit warm, and then I will start applying it to her hair as her pre-poo treatment. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin B6, K, potassium, phosphorus. Carrot can also help to grow your hair faster and thicker. Conditioning the hair with carrot oil is also said to improve hair texture, making it shinier, smoother, and softer. Carrot oil also helps to prevent hair fall and hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Carrot is also rich in vitamin C and A, which will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrot also help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the health it needs to prevent the growth of gray hair. Carrot oil also protects the hair and scalp from pollution and harmful UV rays of the sunlight. When I'm done applying my oil to my scalp, I just love to massage it in to also encourage blood circulation. After, I'm just going to wrap that section up and move to the next section. And then I'm going to leave her pre-poo treatment on for 45 minutes. I will cover her hair up with a plastic bag. I divided the bentonite clay into two because I will also be washing my hair tomorrow. So this is what I will be using on her hair today. I'm first just going to go and rinse out the pre-poo treatment, and then I will come back for us to start applying the clay to her hair and her scalp. This is how her hair is looking after rinsing out the pre-poo treatment. Her hair feels very soft and moisturized. I'm now just gonna go in and start applying the bentonite clay to her hair and her scalp. And I just fast forward this because I don't want this video to be too long. But yes, I'm being very gentle with my daughter here. I'm not rough on her hair. But just that when you fast forward the video, it looks as if to say you are being rough. And then I'm just going to massage that into her scalp and her hair. And then I will also start to apply it down her hair shafts. And I will just repeat the same thing all over her hair. I'm done applying the bentonite clay to her entire hair and scalp. I'm just going to leave the treatment on for 45 minutes, and then after I will just go and rinse it out and go in with her deep condition treatment. Now some people just love to stop here and go in and moisturize their hair, because when you use the bentonite clay, it leaves your hair very soft and moisturized. But I'm gonna go in with a deep condition treatment because this is her routine and I don't want to cut it short. So this is what I'm gonna be doing today. This is how her curls are looking after I rinse out the bentonite clay. Her hair feels very soft and her curls are also well defined. But I'm still gonna go in with the deep condition treatment. So just in case if you want a shorter wash day, you can stop here and just moisturize your hair. But I'm gonna do her routine, and her routine consists of her deep condition treatment. So I'm now just going to apply the deep condition to her hair, and then I will let her to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes, and then I'll just leave the deep condition on for an hour, and then after I will just rinse it out and put her hair in braids. Done applying her deep condition to her hair, and this is how her hair is looking. Very long, beautiful, and moisturized. Having healthy hair takes time, consistency, and using the right ingredients. So I'm now just going to put her under the steamer for 20 minutes. Okay, family, so this is the end of Sonya wash day. I'm sorry. What is Aurora doing? Aurora, your wash day is tomorrow, but please just ignore her. Alright, Sonya, here I just used the aloe vera leaf in conditioner, my magnesium butter, and then the S Secrets Grow 4. Tomorrow is Aurora wash day. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.